Hey guys, Andrew Koster with Louisiana Grills here at the Danson's Training Center. Today, we're going to be going over part replacement and maintenance on your Louisiana pellet grill. We're going to be using an LG 900, but since all Louisiana grills have a similar burn system, these will be relevant to all Louisiana grills, including yours at home. So in this video, we're going to go over how to remove and replace the igniter in your Louisiana grill. We already have our hopper grate and our side access panel removed, giving us access to all our wires and everything we need inside the hopper. So we've also already removed all the internals from inside the grill, including the burn grate, the grill grates, and the flame broiler. The first step that we're going to need to take is loosening 1 to 2 of the set screws inside the burn grate. Once we've done that, we can actually just pull the igniter out from the hopper side and disconnect it from the controller. Once you've removed the igniter from your Louisiana grill, you can actually replace it the exact same way in reverse.